So for the demonstration of logic circuit using Quartus 2, first we create a new file. Choose block diagram file. Okay. Next, we have 4 input. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we rename them.
Okay, so after we've done with our gate, first of all, we need to have the waveform. So how to do it? Which is we go to file and then we click on new. Okay, so we click on new and then we will need to find the university program VWF and then click here and then click OK. Okay, so as you can see here, there's no waveform yet, but we will have it right now. So how we do it? Which is you right click on here and then you insert node or bus. After you click insert node or bus, you find the node finder and then you click on list. Okay, so this is all your input and this is our input and output for our smart air conditioner. So we need to just select all of this and then bring it to the right. So click on this double arrow and then after all of our input and output are in the selected nodes here, click on OK and then we click OK again. Okay, so in here, our input output is not arranged according to the value A, B, C, D, and also X, Y, and Z. So what we are going to do is to rearrange it based on our input and output. Okay, after we've done rearranging, so we need to put the values here for each of this input and output. The value for 0 and 1. So we are going to put the value based on our truth table that we've done. So we need to use it as our reference to insert our number 0 and 1 over here. Okay, so after we've done filling here with value 0 and 1, what we are going to do is we just click on here, which is run functional simulation, and then we need to save. Okay, so what we are going to see here, which is the value of our input as we have put over here on the simulation waveform editor, and here is our output. So as you can see, the output is matched with our truth table, which is a great sign. So this is for the basic gates, and for our NAND gates, the value will be the same as we can see here. So the input output is still the same, and then for our values for output is also the same. Okay, that's all.